Here's the script for the review. Hey there, guys. Welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things tech. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an amazing scanner that's going to change the way you organize your documents and photos forever. Meet the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless. Now, I know what you're thinking, a scanner? Really? But trust me, this is not just any scanner. It's the most advanced one from the guys at Epson, and it's packed with features that will make your life so much easier. Let's start with the touchscreen interface. This is where things get really cool. Imagine having a smartphone right on top of your scanner, and you can use it to scan documents, photos, and even business cards with just a few taps. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your scanner. But what really sets this scanner apart is its scanning speed. We're talking about 45 pages per minute, double-sided, which means you can scan an entire document in seconds. That's faster than most of us can type. And with the automatic optimization feature, you don't have to worry about adjusting settings or tweaking anything. It just works. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The ScanSnap iX2500 wireless has both Wi-Fi 6 and USB-C connections, giving you the flexibility to put it anywhere in your workspace. Whether you're a remote worker or an office pro, this scanner is perfect for you. You can even connect it to cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, so you can access your scanned documents from anywhere. One of my favorite features has got to be the document feeder. This thing holds up to 100 sheets, which means you don't have to keep getting paper trays all the time. It's also designed with safety in mind. There's a brake roller system to prevent paper jams, and a multi-feed sensor that detects if pages are stuck together. And then there's the organization part of it. With this scanner, you can easily manage, edit, and use scanned documents from your photos and business cards. The scanner automatically optimizes, names, and sorts files for you. No more tedious work on your end. But what really impresses me is how well this scanner prevents damage to your papers. There's a skew detection system that stops paper jams, and the document feeder is designed to feed paper smoothly without any issues. I also want to give a shout out to the design of this scanner. It's sleek, it's modern, and it comes in two colors, black or white. The large touchscreen interface looks like something from a smartphone, but it still manages to feel premium and high-end. In terms of accessibility, I've got to say that this scanner is super user-friendly. Even if you're not tech-savvy at all, you can easily navigate the menus and features. And in terms of energy consumption, the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless uses less power than most other scanners on the market, which means it's eco-friendly too. So there you have it, guys. The ScanSnap iX2500 wireless is an incredible scanner that's going to revolutionize the way you organize your documents and photos. With its fast scanning speed, customizable profiles, and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, this scanner has got everything you need. Want to get your hands on one? Check out the link below for the best price.